we are given a polynomial expression fx equals to bracket ax squared plus x plus b bracket x squared minus 2x minus 7. So for part A, to prove that x minus 1 plus square root 8 is a polynomial, is a factor of the polynomial fx, which means that when we sub in x equals to 1 minus square root 8, fx equals to 0. So when we sub in x equals 1 minus square root 8, we get this expression. So since it's impossible that this expression is actually equals to 0, since there are unknowns a and b, therefore this expression is definitely equals to 0, since when we times this, the whole thing will be equal to 0. So we need not evaluate this portion, we just need to evaluate this portion. So for this portion, 1 minus square root 8 square is actually 1 minus 2 square root 8 plus 8, since square root 8 times 8 equals to 8, minus 2 plus 2 square root 8 minus 7. So 1 minus 2 plus 8 minus 7 equals 0, minus 2 square root 8 plus 2 square root 8 equals 0, therefore the whole thing equals 0. So times this one, this side equals 0 as well. Therefore fx equals 0. Therefore, since fx equals 0 when x equals 1 minus square root 8, thus x minus 1 plus square root 8 is a factor of fx. For part B, to find the value of a and b, firstly, we are given that fx has a value of x minus as factor of x minus 1. Thus, when x equals to 1, fx equals 0. So we submit x equals to 1 into the expression, which is given, this one. So when f equals to 1, x equals to 1, is a 1 square plus 1 plus b times 1 square minus 2 times 1 minus 7 equals 0. So a plus 1 plus b times negative 8 equals 0. When we divide by negative 8 on both sides, we get a plus 1 plus b equals 0. So we label this expression as equation 1. The second part is given that when divided by x minus 2, it gives a remainder of 28. Therefore, it means that when x equals to 2, fx equals to 28. So we submit x equals to 2 into the expression fx. So 2 square a plus 2 plus b times 2 square minus 2 times 2 minus 7 equals 28. So 4a plus 2 plus b times negative 7 equals 28. We divide negative 7 on both sides. We get 4a plus 2 plus b equals negative 4. So 4a plus b equals negative 6. b equals to negative 6 minus 4a, and we label this equation 2. So we sub equation 2, which is this, into equation 1, which we found earlier, to be this expression. So when we sum in, we get a plus 1 minus 6 minus 4a equals to 0. Negative 3a minus 5 equals 0. So a equals negative 5 over 3. Since we have found a to be negative 5 over 3, we sub a equals negative 5 over 3 into equation 1. So equation 1 is a plus 1 plus b equals 0. So minus 5 over 3 plus 1 equals negative b. b equals to 2 over 3.